All right, so let's go over this together. FedEx man comes up to my porch, tosses, and then throws my package that had glass in it like a bowling ball. What the hell, dude? What's up with FedEx? You guys be sure and drop a comment down below and let me know what y'all think about this. To me, this is just crazy. Like, I can't believe it gets paid to throw people's stuff like that. Like, that just absolutely amazes me. But yeah, drop a comment down below. Let me know your experiences with FedEx. Also, guys, be sure and drop a comment down below and let me know if y'all like these kind of videos, because I have several things that I can put on here that's just some funny content that we've caught over the years. So just let me know in the comments down below, guys. Thanks so much for watching.